Hi there, and thanks for watching. My name is Will McAdam. I'm the founder of PrivacyDuck.com. We are a company that specializes in taking your personal information off of the internet. This personal information includes your date of birth, full name, current address, previous address, mother's maiden name, map to your houses, and other important information that we just do not believe should be on the internet for free for everyone to see. We accomplish this through both subscription and one-time deletion programs that we offer on our site. But today we're going to look at one of our most popular sites to remove from, one that we get many phone calls about, Redaris.com. Redaris.com ranks very highly on the internet, and it's also one of the sites that shows the most information about you. So we definitely want to get that site taken down or blocked as much as we can. Now, if you're following along at home, please feel free to pause the video at any point in time in order to go ahead and catch up and help you along as you take your information off of this site. Now, also note that in order to remove from Redaris, you will need an email address as well as a cell phone number. Landlines, unfortunately, do not work. It has to be a cell phone that you can receive text messages at. For the email address, we highly recommend not using your own email address, but rather using a disposable throwaway email address that you create for the specific purpose of taking your information off of these websites. So let's go ahead and get started here. Go ahead and go to your web browser and type in Redaris.com. This is what their homepage currently looks like. You'll want to search by your first and last name as well as your city and state. In our example here, we've used John Anderson in Garden Grove, California. Go ahead and click on a little gray search icon right there once you've typed your information in. That will take you to a results page that looks like this right here. Now, there might be a few profiles listed, or there might be one specific one, but go ahead and scroll through these and find the one that matches you. You can tell they will give the range of how old you are, as well as your previous addresses as well. So once you found the one that matches you, go ahead and click on the bold name right there to view your full profile. This will take you to your profile page, which looks just like this right here. Now next to your name, you'll see a little arrow, a little drop-down box. Go ahead and click that arrow, and this box will come up that says Control Information. Go ahead and click on that. Now this takes you to the page of how to control this information. We're going to come back to this page a few times here, but let's go ahead and do this in order to make sure your information is taken off as completely as possible. So on this page, we'll go ahead and click Claim This Profile, the first little link right there. This will take you to your Redaris login account creation page. And assuming you don't have a previous Redaris account, you'll go ahead and click on New User Sign Up right there. And there you'll be entering your first and last name. Be sure to enter your real first and last name, the one that matches your Redaris record, because that comes into play later. Enter the email address you created, as well as a password that you remember to come back to later. Do not log in with Facebook or with Google+. Those are options there, but we're trying to eliminate how much information is out there about you, not put it all together for them to easily find that. So just go ahead and make this new user account via email right here. Click the orange sign up button when you're done. That then prompts a little CAPTCHA code to come up right here. So go ahead and enter some matching numbers that will correspond with this code right here. Click these two check boxes and then click Create My Account. At that time, it will ask you to please verify your identity. This is where it comes into play that your email address name needs to match the name on your profile. The second part is you'll be needing to get a verification code via cell phone in order to continue. So go ahead and enter your cell phone number right here and click the blue Send Code button. Now within just a few seconds, you should have a text message from Redaris that has a 4 to 6 digit code that they sent you. Go ahead and enter that code right here in the verification code and click on Submit. You'll see a little thank you box has popped up here. Go ahead and click on the right option, the green View My Account button. That takes you back to the Control Your Information page. It looks a little different than last time, but it's the same page with same information. So what we're going to do now here is go through and click this blue link on the right that says delete specific records. Now this will take you to a very large page of everybody with your same name that they have for the entire country. So this page can be kind of overwhelming, but they allow you to delete up to 6 records associated with your name. And so we usually go for the records that are most tied to you, which are toward the bottom, which look like these right here. They include your name, maybe your employment position, where you work, as well as your address and your phone number. So go through and find in this list all these entries that match you. Start with the most current and kind of work your way backwards in time. Once you've clicked those 6 records, scroll down to the very bottom of that page and click on the orange button that says Remove Selected Records. Now, once you've done that, they'll take you to this page here that basically asks, hey, why do you want to take this information off? So you'll once again enter your name, make sure that is your real name once again, go ahead and enter that disposable email address right there, as well as the reason. The one that's usually worked pretty well for us has been escalated personal privacy concerns, but feel free to make up something along those lines. So once that's done, go ahead and just click on that enter code right there and enter that same CAPTCHA code that you see right there. Click on the checkbox and click on Submit Request. You'll then see that your removal request has been accepted. They do send you a confirmation email right here. So go ahead and go to the email that you created. We use an AOL email for this purpose. Right here, you'll find an email from Redaris that should only take a few seconds to get to you that says Redaris record deletion. Go ahead and open that email, and you'll find a blue link just inside the email. Go ahead and click on that, and that will take you back to this page that says your removal request has been confirmed. Well, we're not done yet because your profile is still public, so we want to go ahead and fix that right now. So scroll up now to the little person icon in the top blue banner that you see, and scroll down to where it says Control Information. Go ahead and click on that for us again. That takes you back to this Control Information page. Now you're going to want to click on the middle link that says Make Profile Private. Once you've done that, you'll see that your information, your profile switched from the blue Public button to the orange Private button right here. So at this point in time, you do have the personal records are in process of being deleted, the individual records. That takes a few days. But what is immediate right now is that this information is blocked from public view. So the next stage is you'll get an email in about 2 to 3 days from Redaris that tells you that these specific records are also deleted. It is a good idea to come back to Redaris to check every month or so because they are in the habit of repopulating your information even after you block it, and suddenly profiles that were private are now all of a sudden public again. So you definitely want to stay on top of that. One easy way to stay on top of that is through our company, PrivacyDuck.com. What we do is we offer ongoing removal and monitoring subscription plans that take off and monitor from Redaris and about 100 other sites just like them all across the internet. A link to PrivacyDuck.com is in the description of our video at the bottom. So go ahead and take a look at that and then navigate over to delete your data, and you'll see our privacy options on this little menu that pops up right here. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 415-320-1845 or email us over at will@PrivacyDuck.com. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and we hope to see you over at PrivacyDuck soon. Take care.